Hey Kim, okay, so this is how you do it. First thing you do is go to McGraw-Hill. Um, Basically, once you get there, you go to your courses and copy. Look at mine. There's all kinds of things. Here's the master from spring, so you can go here and duplicate section, copy section. Yours will look different. You can take one of your previous sections and copy it. Once you're there, okay. So, example, let me see. You're teaching from what I remember. Let's check your grid. 102, 401. Okay. So we'll go to 102, 401. So the search. Okay, and there's your course. Okay. Um, I'll double check to make sure it is your course content. Um, Getting started. Yep, Cam, that's you. Okay, so then you go to admin and go to course administration. Then click on home pages here. Okay. Then go down to where it says active homepage. Go down to default. Click on McGraw-Hill campus. Let me see. Got it. McGraw-Hill. Hit apply. And then when we go back to the landing page for the course, it's there. So you just hit pair with connection. Um, um, so there we'll unlink automatic sign in because you don't want it to link to one of my classes. Okay, so hopefully this is helpful. Thanks.